Hey, Igbo na-anya o. Ụnụ mana otu aka bido kwuba okwu si mepela anyị seaport. Ka Igbo bido zụba afịa n'ala Igbo. Ka anyị rapụzi dị na-awụju na Lagos na awụju na ugwu Awụsa na na-eme business because of na anyị nwere seaport na South East. Ka o wee bụzie onye mebe business chọrọ ịtụnata ngwa afịa from China. Ka ịtụnata ya from China straight to ala Igbo. Ka ya led na-abụzi ọha nga na Lagos. Esi from Lagos cheap ya to Port Harcourt, from Port Harcourt cheap ya to South East. Ka na-atụnata ya directly from obodo ọbụla down to South East. Ọ dịkwa ka gọọmenti kwadoghị anyị ntị. Ka na-apịkwa ọtụtụ okwu, watch anụ vidio ka ọ na-ụfụ ihe si n'ọnụ one of the contractor dị in charge of Onitsha Seaport kwuru. Ka ọ gwa unu mgbe the seaport ga-adị ready. Ọ dị ka Onitsha Seaport ọ dị ka akwadogo i-revitalize ya ka o bido dị functional again. Watch the video.
With the high level of water at the River Niger, barges have started arriving on Onitsha River Port, giving hope to Onitsha traders that have long waited for this development. General Manager of the port, Nnamdi said as it stands now, containers can move directly from the high seas to Onitsha.
We are coming down to the point that we will become a bounded terminal, which means that for the end customer, their containers can be cleared in Onitsha. You will have the opportunity to export from Onitsha straight to the major seaports all around the world.
He noted that with continuous and maintenance dredging of the river, the port will remain operational all year round, delivering over 600,000 containers in a year.
Based on the fact that you barge into Onitsha, you release all the, let's say, congestion on the roads. You will release congestion at the major seaports. So there is only a win-win situation for all parties to bring their containers by river.
We are looking into how to do capital dredging again, or maintenance dredging. The survey and other things are still on board. So very soon, I believe we'll do something about the dredging of the River Niger.
Having laid fallow for a long period of time, the federal government last year concessioned the Onitsha River Port to Universal Eliasum Consortium, a private company, for a more efficient and effective operation. In Onitsha, Uchenna Nwekoyo, NTA News.